Welcome to Microchip's briefing. The content of the briefing includes: OpenAI is in talks to raise new funding at valuation of $100 billion or more. AI, EVs, Fed, consumers, election, investor guide highlights. The highs and lows of the year in markets, the wild 2023 that was. China's imports of Dutch chip-making equipment surged tenfold in November. Teenager who leaked Grand Theft Auto clips in hacking spree given hospital order. OpenAI is in talks to raise new funding at valuation of $100 billion or more. Yahoo! OpenAI is reportedly in talks to raise a new round of funding at a valuation of at least $100 billion. This would make it the second most valuable company in the US, behind Elon Musk's SpaceX. OpenAI's value has skyrocketed since it launched its ChatGPT chatbot 1 year ago, which has led to greater interest in AI. The company is also reportedly in talks with Abu Dhabi-based G42 to raise funding for a new chip venture. AI, EVs, Fed, consumers, election, investor guide highlights. Yahoo! The highs and lows of the year in markets, the wild 2023 that was. CNN. U.S. mortgage rates have fallen to their lowest level since June, offering some respite to homebuyers in the country. The average 30-year fixed-rate mortgage rate fell to 6.67% in the week ending December 21, down from 6.95% the previous week, according to data from Freddie Mac. The drop marked the 8th straight week of declines and was sparked by anticipation of rate cuts by the Federal Reserve in 2020. Separately, 80-year-old Nicholas Push, a descendant of the founder of luxury goods firm Hermès, has begun the process of adopting his former middle-aged gardener, and plans to leave him at least half of his €12 billion $13 billion, fortune. Push wants to cancel a contract that bequeaths his fortune to the Isocrates Foundation, which he founded, in favor of his employee. China's imports of Dutch chip-making equipment surged tenfold in November. South China Morning Post. China's imports of lithography systems from the Netherlands increased by 1,050% in November, indicating that Chinese semiconductor firms are still able to receive orders for advanced equipment in spite of tightened U.S. export regulations. China imported 16 Dutch projection systems worth $762.7 million last month, a tenfold YoY increase. The Netherlands is the largest exporter of lithography machines, used to make advanced chips. Japan, home to Canon and Nikon, supplied 15 of the systems, meaning the two countries accounted for almost all of China's imports in this area in November. Teenager who leaked Grand Theft Auto clips in hacking spree given hospital order. The Independent. A teenager who leaked clips of an upcoming Grand Theft Auto game during a hacking spree has been sentenced to a hospital order. Ariane Kurtage, 18, and a 17-year-old were described as the key players in the Lapsus S hacking group. Kurtage was assessed as unfit to stand trial, so the jury had to determine whether he had committed the alleged acts. The jury unanimously found Kurtage guilty of 12 offenses, including unauthorized acts to impair computer operations, blackmail, fraud, and failure to comply with a police notice. He tried to blackmail Rockstar Games and Nvidia by threatening to leak their intellectual property. Kurtage was given a hospital order, meaning he will remain in a secure hospital unless doctors determine he is no longer a danger. GTA 6 leaks hacked using Hotel TV and Amazon Fire Stick. The Independent. An 18-year-old hacker breached the systems of video game creator Rockstar Games using a Hotel TV and an Amazon Fire Stick, a UK court has heard. Ariane Kurtage, who was in police protection at the time, obtained 90 unreleased clips of Grand Theft Auto 6, GTA 6, from Rockstar Games and uploaded them to an online gaming forum. Kurtage has been sentenced to indefinite detention in hospital for hacking ride-hailing firm Uber and fintech firm Revolut, as well as blackmailing Rockstar Games. Kurtage, who has autism, was found unfit to stand trial, so the jury was asked to determine whether he had committed the acts rather than deliver a guilty verdict. 3 Magnificent 7 stocks with 50% to 122% upside in 2024 and beyond, according to select Wall Street analysts. Yahoo! Select Wall Street analysts have predicted that 3 of the Magnificent 7 stocks, Nvidia, Microsoft, and Amazon, could experience significant gains in 2024. Nvidia has gained 240% this year, but one analyst believes the stock could rise by a further 122% in 2024, as the company is seen as the backbone for the rise of artificial intelligence. Microsoft shares could increase by 61% if a $600 price target is met by 2024, with AI cited as a primary driver for the stock's increase. Finally, Amazon could increase by 50% per share, with the company's fast-growing cloud infrastructure business cited as a likely catalyst for this growth. Thank you for tuning in. The content above showcases the latest briefing reports and analytical synopses, thoughtfully curated by the 6Do team. These insights stem from a wide array of reputable media outlets, think tanks, government sources, and specialized experts worldwide. We encourage you to explore these sources for a comprehensive perspective. Keep in mind that while the content may not always align with the official standpoint of 6Do Brief, it's not meant to be taken as absolute directives for decision making. Comprising seasoned media professionals, learned scholars, and accomplished scientists, the 6Do team embodies a trailblazing, fully independent media entity. To customize 6Do Brief to meet your professional needs, you have the option to subscribe to a diverse array of briefings on our website, 6dobrief.com. Regardless of your location, you can conveniently receive 6Do Brief via email.